have the Toguard dash cam. It has two 1080p cameras, 170-degree wide angle. It comes with two different mounting brackets. It has an easy menu function, which is easy to set up, and a quick and easy dash cam install. We're going to have a look what comes in the box, then we'll have a look at the install, placing the dash cam in the car and tucking away the wires. Then we'll take a look at the footage at the end. Here you can see the suction mounting bracket. Next in the box, I'll pull out the power lead. So one end will plug into the dash cam and one end will plug into your cigarette lighter. Here we have the second type of mounting bracket. If you'd prefer this type, it sticks onto the glass rather than suctions on like the first mount. Then it comes with a cable that will allow you to plug the dash cam into a PC or laptop. Here we have these sticky clips which allow you to connect the cable to the car to keep the wires tidy. And here is the dash cam itself. Here you can see the second camera that rotates around, allowing you to film inside the car. You can see a clear image inside the car and the back seats. Footage you can check out more towards the end of this video if you'd like to see that. This dash cam, when I bought it, was around £60. To save your footage, you'll need to buy a 32GB SD card to insert into this dash cam. That doesn't come included. You can simply insert the SD card, press record, and it will save all the footage. It will be the top of the dash cam where you'll be plugging in your power cable. And whichever mount you choose will simply slide into place. I'll leave all links and information in the description below. You can also subscribe to the channel to see more from me. To control the dash cam, all the buttons are located underneath the dash cam, which allows you to adjust all the settings. To adjust the dash cam, you can twist the wheel on the right hand side, adjust to the correct angle that you need in your car, and simply twist to tighten. Once you have this power lead plugged into the dash cam and into the cigarette lighter, when starting up the car, the camera will immediately turn on and start recording. It comes with a dash cam sticker if it's something you wanted to stick into your car. Now we'll have a quick look at the manual if it's something you wanted to read. If not, you can skip this bit. SD card I use, 32GB class 10. This is how we'll simply install it into the dash cam. You'll push the SD card in this way and it will click in.